Hello, in today's video, I would like to show you how to set up this dual lens Wi-Fi smart camera on your mobile phone and how to mount it on the wall. Before we go further, please don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel. Here is my Wi-Fi device, router, already cracked, it support all network, universal. And an SD card, this all you need to set up this camera. Let's start by unboxing it. Here is how the Wi-Fi dual lens smart camera looks like. Insert the SD card. Connect the USB cable to a 5-volt light source to power the camera. I recommend using your phone charger. Wait till the camera finish booting. Then, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds to reset the camera. Always check the name of your camera app on the body of the package. This camera uses CAM720 App. Either you scan this QR code to direct you to where you will download the app, or search the app on Play Store or Apple Store depending the phone you're using. Open your Play Store and search for CAM720 and install. After the installation, open the app, accept and confirm the agreement. Click on Sign Up since you're using the app for the first time. Select your country. Enter your email and provide password. Open your email messenger and copy out the verification code sent to you from CAM720. Enter the verification code in this space and confirm. Registration successful. Then to set up this camera, tap on Add Device, enable your location and turn on Bluetooth. Choose Manually Add a Device and tap on Scan to add. Place your phone camera to scan the QR code on the body of the camera. Tap on Add. Now select your router and enter the password. The password is always found at the back of your router.
Received configuration information. Connecting to the network.
Wait for the device to finish binding.
Network connection successful. Camera is online.
Camera is successfully installed. This is the view of the camera. Select the control button to rotate the camera to the place you want to be monitoring with the PTZ lens. Tap on the SD card at down right-hand side to view the previous and stored records. The red ink side indicate the motion being captured. When you shift to the red side, you view what happened. If there's any question you want to ask concerning this video or my previous videos, drop them in the comments section. I'm always available to attend to you guys. And please like, share and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.